What is up, everybody? The Master Trader himself is super excited. I'm back again with another interesting video. In this particular video, guys, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can make $1 almost every minute, and I mean it, guys. So we're going to be doing this on SmartTrader. This is a trading kind of a way that you can only find on Deriv. So this commodity, you can only trade it on Deriv. SmartTrader, you can only find it on Deriv. So if you have not yet signed up with Deriv, sign up with Deriv. The link is in the description, and get yourself your first 200% bonus by using our link. So the thing that you're going to do is that the moment you sign up and do everything that you are required to do in terms of the registration with Deriv, you're going to come on Traders app here. You're going to see these other commodities that you can trade, but our focus is SmartTrader. So we're going to click on open them, and I'm going to show you the things that you have to put exactly in order for you to actually catch this $1 almost every minute. So I want you to actually pay attention, because this can actually change everything about your life. You can start with as low as $1. That's a beauty about using Deriv, because you can actually deposit as low as $1 and grow your account to as much as you want. So you'll come here on market, and you come on commodities. You scroll on your right side, you come on synthetics, delete synthetics, and you go down, and let's just try volatility 10 for this particular example. And I have some people that will be like, how can you deposit a $1 on Deriv? By using P2P, you can actually do that. So I'm just giving you an hint. You can actually deposit by using P2P $1, and you get started with this strategy. So what happens here is that you're going to come on trade type, and you're going to scroll down and come to matches and differs, and you're going to click there, and you're going to change this to 3. But let me explain now this to you. If you can see here, if at all you put a $10, you're going to gain about $89, which is about 792% profit, which sometimes is nearly impossible. And in this case, if you do a down passage, you're just going to gain about 9.6% of the money that you put there. So in this case, we are putting, for example, if we are saying $1 per trade, we are actually putting around $11. So we are going to be entering $11, and we're going to be gaining $1 per actual trade that we trade. Yes, but let me explain to you one or two things here, guys. What this simply means is that when you have the last digit prediction, which is the last digit prediction, which is 0, it simply means, if you can see here, there are numbers here. There is a 2, there is a 3 last digit there. It simply means the next, the moment there are three ticks, the third tick should be 0, which simply means if we start counting now, tick number 1, 22, tick number 2, 7, tick number 3 should be 0. It simply means if you have clicked here, you have gained this $98 by putting $11. So I don't know if you're catching that. So it simply means the last digit there, which is 3, which is 0 there. If that 0 comes on tick number 3, you gain that. So what you're going to do is this. You're going to avoid that by actually coming on last digit prediction. And when you come here, these are the predictions that 0 is coming 5% times from the last 100 ticks. But if you change here, you go to 1000, it can show you in terms of percentage which one is taking long to come, which simply means in 1000 ticks, past 1000 ticks, 0% has come about 9 point something percent. It's more like these ones are just ranging in the same percentage, which simply means one has come as a third tick about 10%, two has come as a third tick about 2%. So here is more like each and every number is a gamble. Each and every number is actually participating and coming through. So for such kind of a market, you're gambling in the sense that you don't know if at all the next number will be zero, because zero is actually coming out equally, almost equally the same times as these other numbers. So you check for the other market, like for example, go on volatility 25, you check here and you'll find that 8 is actually coming 12 point something percent. So you go for the number that is actually not usually coming, which simply means 8 is not usually coming every third tick. It's taking about 12.5% as compared to 0, which simply means 0 is coming up as compared to this. I don't know if you're catching it. So the higher the percentage, the more likelihood of that digit not coming through. Yes, as compared to the lower percentage, which simply means in this case you're going to change here, you're going to put 8, because 8 is not usually doing what? Is not usually coming. And you click on there, and there you go, and you win just like that. You have won. It ended on 2. The third tick ended on 2. You can actually even forget, guys. You can just be placing. So you win again. If you are seeing, we have made already 2 USD by just clicking there. We can actually just be look at it. It's way far. It's way far, guys. You can keep on winning, and so we have made 3 USD, which simply in this is less than a minute, guys. I've already made 3 USD. It's less than a minute. You can actually make a lot and a lot of money by just starting as low as you're just having 11 USD. You can actually raise up all this money. So I only had in this account about 11 USD, and I've raised it to 53 USD. On this channel, guys, we only show you things that work. And ensure that if you're not part of our Telegram channel, join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. It's free of charge, and we don't charge anything for our signals. I give long signals that you will take the whole entire day to trade with me, and I go live in my Telegram channel. What are you waiting for? And I don't charge any single dollar to be part of it. So ensure that you are part of what is going on. And I always tell people, if you're just getting started, please ensure that you use your demo to backtest these strategies. You can easily change, like I've just changed there. And if you can see, if you are told you're actually trading with 100 USD, you'll be making approximately about 9.6 USD as profit. Yes, and of which we already know here. We already know, and boom, you win. As simple as that. So you just look for, so this time around, if you can see now, 1 is the one that is on maximum. You can actually change. You can now put on 1. The moment you see, you can actually be auto changing. It simply means it's a win, guys. You don't even doubt about anything. The moment you just see the 1 is now on the higher note, you can actually sit the whole entire day, guys, just doing the magic. Just doing the magic, guys. Just doing the magic. Let's delay it a little bit, but it has already won. As simple as that. So that's the way you go about this strategy. Like the video, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel, so that we can reach as many people as we can reach with this kind of information. And see you in the next video.